Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to our channel. Today is the first episode of Simply Science. So Simply Science will be out on the Wednesdays following the second and fourth Sunday of the month. So right after the craft corner, it'll be Simply Science. So today we are going to use milk, a cotton ball, food coloring, and dish soap. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour some milk in here. Do you think one of you guys can do it?
Yes. I can do it.
Okay, we're going to let Sarita do this part.
Why not this way?
You can do the next part? Okay?
I won't do that so.
Okay. Can you pour some in here, please?
A little bit. I can't even hold it. Okay, I got it.
We have to fill out the whole bottom part.
Like full up. That's enough?
A little bit more.
How much do you
I think that should be
I want
okay.
to drink of it. Me then do it by myself. It's not heavy, right? Not a soap.
Okay, well you need to wait, please. Okay. So let's try to get all these bubbles out. Bubbles, go away, bubbles.
Why?
Because we don't want the bubbles.
We drinking that milk.
No, we're not going to drink this milk.
Are we doing this milk?
You'll see. Okay.
Coloring for
Now
who?
we're going to get food coloring. Maybe? Maybe.
For me, baby.
I'm trying to get them out and they got stuck.
Oh.
Maybe.
I want pink. We want. How do I do all of the colors? Not
Okay. So, Michael, which one are you going to put in?
we put in blue.
You're going to put in the blue?
First,
Okay, hold on. What color are you going to put in, Sarita?
pink. Both of the pink.
No, you're going to put one in.
But they did that
That one?
by yourself.
Hold on.
Can I do it?
No. So I'm going to show you what to do first, and then you guys can do yours.
Good.
Okay? We're going to put some just drops.
Okay. Why is it doing it in some milk?
You're going to see what's going to happen. Okay.
Put them
Hold on. We're going to let Michael put in some blue. Just drops, babe. Not a lot. Just, drops. Over here, too. Sarita. No, thank you. I don't want... We need to not move it so much. Okay, I think that's good on the blue.
Yeah.
Okay, Sarita.
Nice. Mine is total.
Okay, put drops around. Don't just squeeze it. Put drops
Not just put it on my.
all the around, not just in one spot. And we're gonna put a little bit of this one.
Maybe do yellow.
We already did all those colors. Now, Michael, I'm gonna need you to do something. Wait. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Dude, are you teasing me? Are you teasing me? Okay, we're gonna put that there for a minute. And I want you to put this on, listen to me before you tip it. I want you to put soap on here. On the cotton ball, baby. Put more on the cotton ball. Okay, that's good.
On the table. Bubble.
Okay.
Oh, I popped the bubble.
Let's see if we can get some more on this cotton ball.
Good job, it's dishwash.
There. Ready? Put that right in the middle. Right here in the middle. Just drop it in. Look at it.
Nice.
Look at it. Look at the cool colors.
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
Ooh, why it? How is it doing that?
Oh, well, no, we're going to have to learn about that in a minute. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. This is the best thing. This is the best
Science?
science ever. More?
Watch. Let's see if something happens if we put some over here. Ready?
Wow.
Look.
Do more.
Let's do a little bit. We can't use too much because I don't know if we have any more. But look. Look what's happening right here where look what's happening right there where I put it.
Turning yellow and blue. Yeah. It's pretty.
Is that cool?
Yeah. It's okay, Michael. It washes the table. Good. It's this.
Should I put some more somewhere else?
Yeah, like everywhere.
No, I don't want to put it everywhere because then it won't do it. But should I put some right here?
Yeah. Drop.
Let's see what happens.
So, I know that we sit with you. You better be nice.
Michael, let's focus over here, baby.
It's so stupid this. This is my fake.
Is it really great?
Yeah. I like to do soap.
So was that cool?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Should we learn about why it did that?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
This is the boring and it's
Anybody know why that works?
no.
Anybody?
Yeah.
Anybody? Anybody? Why does it work?
Like blue and pink and
Well, we know what
yellow
color
and-
it is.
We know the color.
So, what happens is the milk has fat in it, and the dish soap is breaks through like greases and fats. So as it slowly does that, it breaks apart the molecules and it moves it. So it allows all these cool colors and designs to come through. So we're gonna see if it does any. We're gonna put a little bit more soap and see if it does any more movement.
You want to do it?
I'm gonna do it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Because we don't need to put a lot. Because again, don't know if we have any more soap.
Yeah, you like you. The favorite one is soap. Two. You have two soaps, right?
I don't know. So it's slowly moving over here.
Why? I just see a bubble. Go away, bubble. Come on. Go away.
Okay.
This is my head, Michael. Just go away.
So alright, so Cody, tell them if you like this video, give it a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. And if they should comment down below. What should they comment down below?
What good? What science is there?
What kind of experiments do they like to do?
Yeah.
So comment down below what kind of science experiments you like to do. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time.